I noticed this about my taillights the other day. I thought it was a good idea at the time. Well, they've been on there. I bought from Harbor Freight. It's those trailer lights that you just got a magnet on it. And so the other day I was cleaning off the back of the flatbed here. I put these little shelves on specifically for these things. I said, well, that's a good solution. It'll last forever. So I went to pick this thing up. There's a bunch of debris all around it, and it did this number. It wasn't this bad. The wires were still attached, but look at the magnet, just pulled right off. But I don't know what they make the wires out of. It's all crusty, corroded. Maybe there's aluminum, but not made to last, that's for sure. So I got me something else. You have to check it out. Check it out. I got some from Speedway. I told you I'd buy stuff from Speedway. Now let's check it out. Come in 2 of these boxes. Nice fancy purple box. Look at that! Some rear tail lights. Look at that nice chrome bezel, glass globe on it. Isn't that cool? Comes with a little rubber gasket. A couple little mounting bolts to it. And some connectors right there. They even set you up already with the crimp connectors. How cool is that? Alright, got 2 of them, of course. Bye. I wanted to show you off my finds. I didn't find them. My wife Brenda, she stopped at a estate sale. She knows I'm a fan of the Shadow. So I've never seen this one before. By Howard Chatkin or Chaikin. I like this. He's back, and God help the guilty. I haven't read this one. Looks like a good one, and it says first of four issues for mature adults or for mature readers. So this second one. Crime and Punishment. Second of 4 issues. So I couldn't help it. I says, well, it's got 4 issues. But I would have looked for the other 2, but I wasn't there. So I went online. I found I have on order the other 2, so they'll be coming in another couple days. And then this one, part of the fine Shadow Annual. Ah ha 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 ha. Agents. And this is by Helfer and Baker. Pretty cool. It's from DC. There's a Dark Horse one. The Shadow. And the Coils of Leviathan. Galuda, Goss, and Gianni. And then I got a few Doc Savage ones. I think I already have this one, but I'm pretty sure I have this one already. Millennium brand. The Men of Bronze #2. I like that cover, that's cool. And #3, if I can get it up here. Looks like Pat Savage there. The last one. Manual of Bronze. Pretty cool. Pretty cool find. Check it out. The old Ford gets some new taillights. Courtesy of Speedway. They're looking pretty good. I got one in. One to go. Got the whole holes cut. Just for this little beauty right here. This is how it comes with a gasket, the socket, and they even put some crimps on it, ready for you to connect. And the ground. Pretty cool. Alright, bye.